What up, guys? It's another hot day in Southern California, and today we plan on going to Anime Expo. It's like perfect timing.
Some of us.
Some of us, yeah. These guys are going for a cruise. Wish I could join, but we're only here once in a blue moon.
AX is important though.
It's pure inspiration, dude.
Last night. So happy.
Oh, you unlocked it again?
Yeah, I couldn't remember my password. I have too many passwords, and I haven't logged into it since like February.
This guy, supermodel.
One hell of a supporter, dude.
Day one.
Yeah.
He met me back in like, well, we were kind of like getting late, and I was just randomly here on a wedding trip. Like, oh, anybody want to meet up? And here he is. He found me at a gas station.
Dope. Appreciate it, man. And now these guys have picked us up. They got their FRS convoy, and we're gonna go for some KBBQ. Going in Arby's car. You got the rice hat. Nice. Oh, nice and cool, man. I don't have this luxury. Saw a cool car. We had to stop by, take pictures. This one is. What's wrong with us? What's wrong with us?
But it's like not.
It's because in Canada we're like, this is perfect.
I know,
it's
you know
blowing
when you
warm
blow,
air.
like AC in Vancouver,
Dude.
and it gets too cold.
Such a luxury sitting in his car.
Okay, let's go to the what? Okay.
It's giving free water.
Oh my
Whoa,
God!
what
Thank you. Ah, okay. Oh my
Good
God.
thing you stopped.
Here, I'm not asking.
Wow. Yeah, it's our first time at Anime Expo. And it's just me and Gutu. We're gonna try to cram in as much as possible in the next 2 hours. So the entrance is over there, but we still gotta register across the street. This is already day 3, so no lineups, we're okay. But I'm already feeling sticky, tired, and gross. We haven't even gotten inside the building yet. You have to, dude.
How's it going, bro? Yeah, tone it down, man. I feel kind of insignificant. Arms here, bro. A little bit. I'm trying.
Looks like you got bigger too.
I'm trying really hard, bro. How's it going,
Appreciate
man?
what you do, bro.
I'm loving the whole fit, bro. I'm just on your level, right? Picture time?
Panda, is it? Can we?
Let's freaking go,
That's
bro.
awesome, dude. That's totally dope.
Appreciate you, man. Stay out of trouble.
I will.
Tone it down in the gym.
I need to turn it up.
All right, we'll do it, man. Stay out of trouble.
You too, man. Bruh, we made it, we're in. Dude, one of the largest anime expos on this planet, if not galaxy. We're in, we made it. Found a couple of supporters, man. Those are for you guys. So this place closes in like 2 hours, which doesn't give us all that much time. We're gonna go aisle by aisle. We're looking for something for Derpy as well, so just keep an eye out and yeah, probably end up spending more than we'd need to. We found another supporter. Sweet. Yo, we've only been in here for like 15 minutes, gone down one aisle. So many things to look at. It's just overwhelming how many people are actually in this building. Yo, pick an aisle, bruh.
We should finish this.
Okay, damn, this is halfway. Look who we found here, man.
3, 2, 1, here we go. One, 2, 3. Oh, fuck yes. Thank you.
That's dope.
Freaky.
Yeah. Don't go in there yet, man. We're gonna be stuck. Save that for later. We figured walking through every single aisle in the artist alley would be a little too much of a task. So we're going to the exhibitors so we don't waste time. So everyone's just like, find a spot on the ground and chill. Okay. We here. I'm scared. Like,
What's this one?
I have yet to. That's dope. Jen,
Take it
do
easy.
your thing, man. That's awesome. Have a good show. Yo, dope. I've been following this guy for the longest time on Instagram. That's sick. Yo, you buying a shirt?
Yeah.
Yo, dope. it's like one booth by booth by booth. Dude, we're gonna be here forever.
I don't have any of their friends. I don't want them to get drinks.
Oh my god, it's so dope! I love it!
So sorry.
Sick! Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Bye.
One of the Iceland. Pokemon and stuff.
Alright, one shot.
Sizing fit a little bit bigger.
We found Pugly. That thing's huge. Just picked up two really cool prints from two of my favorite artists that I've been following on Instagram for so long. Yo, Pugs. What the heck are you? We saw this thing, man.
When did you guys get in?
Like 2 hours ago. So we've been trying our best to just go aisle by aisle. Huh? Huh?
Crush it, come on, man.
I know, we are, dude. Oh yeah, it's good seeing you, dude.
Take care.
Bro, I got a lot going on in my hand because I'm going crazy. But look who else is going crazy.
Yes, sir.
Wow. It's so crazy that I'm seeing this is literally like I want to say the first time I've ever seen it in person.
Yeah.
You're from Canada? What's your name, bro?
YouTube.
Like TU? That's fucking hard. I like that shit. Bro, I appreciate that so much. I'm gonna give you an elbow because my hands are full. But hey, y'all need to get like him. Because I just went broke. We're right here. Is it on?
Yeah, it's
hey,
going.
Shout out to Kings Must Rise. This is my guy right here.
Oh yeah, dude.
This dude's name is sick. You're never gonna find somebody's name harder than that.
Yo, Travi.
What's your
Appreciate
name?
you, bro. Randy.
Randy.
Yeah.
Heat. Fuck with both of them.
Right on, man.
Kings Must Rise, right?
Yeah.
Hey,
It's
you
dope,
better
yeah. Yo, YouTube's famous, bro. Yo, mad respect for these YouTubers, man. It's a hard game to get into. And he acts exactly how he acts on camera as off. And how you feeling, bro?
Mission accomplished.
Dude, that's cool. Yo, this is perfect. This is perfect for Simon. It's like, what are the chances? Yo, this place is closed, but obviously it's not closed until everyone leaves. So we're gonna take our time walking to the exit because we're not done here yet.
Yeah, I spent so much money. I spent money. Alright, everyone's starting to get kicked out. I guess we're gonna take our leave as well. 2 hours. Not even close to the amount of time to be able to explore this place completely. Barely even touched the surface walking through the artist alley, so definitely next year we'll be back. Thank you so much. right in front of the Staples Center, and it's still lit. This entire area is like anime land right now. Snow cones.
Which one you want? Some slushes?
Dude, I'm so down. Let's go, man. Give me a Vegeta snow cone. This place is sick. Playing Temple of Time right now. They should be playing anime on there. And then are the toppings extra? Oh, sweet. Oh, you can actually do it. No way. Hello. Oh, so nice and cool. Thank you, sir.
How are you guys?
Awesome, man. Taking a little break. Headed back to the Airbnb. Gonna put our stuffs away. Let's see how the ant infestation's going. Oh, nice and cool. Look. They're everywhere, dude. Oh my god. They're all over. Probably in the clothes. On the bed. Yo, yo. What's up, dude? I was on my way to the Target meet and just grabbing gas, and look who I run into. So we're doing a midnight cruise and everyone was told to meet at this Target. So we're gonna find everybody.
You've arrived. You've arrived.
But cops are already here. What? I don't understand. We're not even doing anything. Alright, I guess we're all relocating. It's gonna be easy to lose people. I have no idea where I'm going. There's cops just pulling all of us over, escorting us out from the mall. This is so lame. So right now we're like halfway up this mountain. Whoa. What the fudge? I think everyone else is here. Damn. Harvey got put over.
Hey, we need cars who's citing everyone on site. We either need to find another spot, or all I know is we gotta go down the hill because the cops are coming up. There was like 3 cops pulled over me, Serena, and Tasher on the way up here. And he told me that I'm on my way up as soon as we're done with you guys. If there's any gathering of cars, we're citing everyone for unlawful gathering.
Alright, I guess we're just gonna go up the hill and down the mountain. According to the cops, we're not allowed to be up here, so whatever, dude. We're gonna do a Touge run. Woo! Oh wow. Now that's a view.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Wow.